Imagine checking into the world's most exclusive hotel and then realizing your entire hotel can leave the harbor, cross an ocean, and wake up somewhere completely different. That sounds impossible. But aboard a yacht like Excellence, it becomes reality. At 79.9 meters, or about 262 feet, Excellence is not simply large. Built by Germany's Abiking and Rasmussen and launched in 2019, she was designed by Winch Design from bow to interior, with one goal that becomes obvious the moment you see her: make a yacht feel less like a ship and more like a futuristic private residence. The first clue is impossible to miss. Look at the bow. Instead of the familiar pointed front of a conventional yacht, Excellence has a dramatic reverse bow that sweeps backward before meeting the main deck. It gives the yacht an almost spacecraft-like silhouette. But the bow is only the beginning. Step inside, and the real surprise appears. The central atrium rises through 3 levels, surrounded by enormous glass panels. From the upper decks, you can look down into the spaces below while sunlight floods through the glass. It doesn't feel like entering a boat. It feels like entering a luxury skyscraper that somehow happens to be floating. Excellence was built around the idea of bringing the outside world into the interior. Her largest glass panels reach roughly 6 meters in height, while the owner's areas are surrounded by floor-to-ceiling glass. The result is an unusual feeling of openness. Wherever you are, the ocean remains part of the experience. Imagine waking up, looking through the glass and seeing nothing but water stretching toward the horizon. No neighboring rooms, no traffic, no city noise, just the ocean. That is where the comparison with an ultra-luxury hotel starts to change. Because a hotel can give you an incredible room with an incredible view. But the view belongs to the location. On Excellence, the location can move. The architecture stays the same. The scenery changes. But Excellence isn't designed only to impress from the inside. On the main deck aft, there is a large swimming pool positioned to take advantage of the view. At water level, the yacht also has a substantial beach club and sea terrace. That changes what going to the beach means. The private waterfront comes with you. Launch the yacht's tenders and water toys, step down toward the sea, and suddenly the side of the yacht becomes your own platform above the water. And when you want to disappear from the outside world completely, the yacht offers another advantage hotels struggle to match: space. Excellence has 7 guest cabins according to Winch Design, with accommodation designed around privacy and separate areas for different parts of the experience. There is a dedicated gym, a wellness spa, a tiered cinema, jacuzzis, multiple outdoor areas, and a private owner's deck designed as a retreat within the retreat. None of these features, by themselves, are impossible to find in a luxury hotel. That isn't the point. The difference is that on Excellence, they are all part of the same private environment. You don't have to change hotels to change the view. Everything is connected. And the design goes even further. The yacht's interior was influenced by the owner's passion for high-end automobiles. Winch Design incorporated details inspired by luxury sports cars, including curved leather elements and design cues drawn from automotive interiors. So even the interior is not simply expensive. It has a theme, a personality, a deliberate connection between 2 worlds obsessed with engineering, performance, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Then there is the technology quietly working underneath all of it. Excellence uses stabilizers designed to reduce rolling motion while the yacht is at anchor. It sounds like a technical detail, but on a floating luxury residence, comfort depends on engineering just as much as furniture and finishes. You sit down for dinner, the ocean moves. The yacht remains remarkably composed. You watch a movie, you relax in a jacuzzi, you sleep. And the engineering is doing its job quietly in the background. That is what separates a spectacular-looking yacht from a genuinely sophisticated one. And there is another detail that makes excellence particularly fascinating. The yacht carries the philosophy of a private residence, but it remains a machine capable of traveling thousands of miles. Its twin engines can push the yacht to a top speed of around 17 knots. So this isn't just a floating mansion, it is a floating mansion engineered to move. And that brings us back to the title. Is excellence really more luxurious than a 7-star hotel? Technically, there is no universally recognized international 7-star hotel category above 5 stars. So the phrase is really a comparison, a way of describing luxury that goes beyond the conventional hotel experience. And if luxury means privacy, space, personalized surroundings, extraordinary design, and the ability to change your destination without changing your home, then excellence makes a very strong argument. Because a hotel gives you a place. A superyacht gives you a place that moves. A hotel gives you a view. A superyacht can change the view. A hotel can offer a private beach. A yacht can take the private beach with you. And perhaps that is the most fascinating part of excellence. The real luxury isn't the glass. It isn't the pool. It isn't the cinema. It isn't even the size. It's the freedom created when all of those things exist in one private world, and that world can disappear over the horizon whenever you want. At sunset, the lights glow across the decks. The ocean turns dark. For a moment, there is no hotel, no crowded resort, and no ordinary definition of luxury. There is only your own floating world moving quietly through the night. That is excellence. Not just a superyacht, a private world designed to travel. And if you want to see more incredible machines, billionaire lifestyles, and the world's most extraordinary luxury, subscribe to Billionaire Files.